Want to know how to open or close Explorer in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up Cursor AI on your laptop or your PC. So we have also created a video on how to open up and sign into Cursor AI, so make sure to watch that. So Explorer should be default on the leftmost side, and if you don't see Explorer where you can just simply search for extensions, your files and much more, it's super simple. You can use a shortcut, or on the top you should be seeing this navigation bar right here. So right beside selection you should also be seeing view. Just simply select it or hover on it, and now once you've selected that, here you should be seeing Explorer right above search. So you can just simply select that. So once that is done, here Explorer should be right here by default. So you can just simply extend it just like this right here. You can see your search bar changes and extensions as well. Now in order to close it, you can just simply select Explorer again and it should be closed. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.